This is episode number 1 of Puffy Craft. This is my realm survival series thing. As you can see, that's my house. That's my pathway. And so I don't know if you can hear that in the background. That's my little brother. So I'll probably end up moving this. My little brother keeps breaking, so I have to replace that. Why'd I take my chest plate off? I will be enchanting that. So, I am going to the end very soon. I am just doing this right now. I might turn the Minecraft music off because I really don't know why, but okay. So see you when it's finished. Okay, so guys, I am back from changing the background. Sounds like the weird noises that just happened. I'm gonna do something glowstone, like I'm definitely gonna keep this like this, maybe like that. No, that looks weird. We'll have a thing right here, and maybe like a portrait or something. Oh, by the way, this is the bed, if you guys want to know. I'll have Adam Friend and diamond in the middle. I don't know what we should be doing. This is my little mini farm. Oh yeah, a little sneak peek for upcoming video. An upcoming video on this would be, it's called Puffy Craft. So if you would look over here, we got a campfire. That I left that there because that's where I would have that there, and I would live over there for a bit while I'm finding those. Let me actually move my mouse down out of the screen. So if you guys, this is so far a mini nuclear base, you could say. Not nuclear, but little hideout. That will make a big change that you guys will see. Oh, how did you get in here? Dang it, I didn't put the security in. I need to make this. Where's that cobble? There it is. We're gonna have 2 doors. So, yeah. I might not talk a lot, and I don't know why. It's just because I like to think. I'm like thinking about what I could also do with this. Oh, I don't know why. Oh, no way. This is perfect. That is nice. That is actually beautiful. Not that one. My little brother's base is actually right over there, so I could actually set up a prank. And my base is right there. So if I could just make a stairway somehow over the mountain, let's actually start that. Okay, so we'll just walk over the mountain. We'll just be able to kind of get in this ditch. I don't think he's noticed that I'm here. I use all my diamonds on these, and yeah. So this he stole from me. This, I have no idea when he made this. Let me actually go check out what's on. Oh, well, yeah, that's actually a good thing. Pretty good idea to put that. Also, I'm guessing this is the little bit. Why do you have your bed up here? I think he's gonna take this and expand it out a bit more. Little mine. So I don't know what we're gonna do here. He does have that bow, and I might take it. You know, don't tell him that I'm doing any of this. Well, he doesn't have a channel or anything. But still, when he does, don't tell him, please. Oh, if you see this pop up in the side, that's fine. That's my high performance mode because I got my new computer. Let's just put all my trash in here. Using my little disposal. If I have anything that I don't want anymore, like this. I already stole that from him. I don't want this. I'll keep that just in case. Wait, how much gold does this man have? I'll take definitely all of this. I'll take all of his torches. And definitely all of his diorite. You guys are probably like, why are you stealing? Well, you did do it to me. Why could I not make polished diorite? Oh, there it is. Okay, 20. Wait, which one's the highest here? I'm actually gonna see if he want to join right now. If he joined, that would be really bad. I'm actually gonna pause the video. Guys, I am back. What is this? I can see he's... Okay. I'm just gonna be adding that to my collection. He's getting on right now. I better escape, I better escape, I gotta escape, I gotta get out of here. Blue Brother can't get in the server, so I'll be right back and I'm gonna go help him. Okay guys, it just randomly kicked me out of the server, so I might have to end the video. You okay? I'm actually gonna show you. You guys, so I might end the video here. Okay, guys, I will be ending the video here because it's just randomly kicking me out of the server. So yeah, bye.